Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix WhatsApp sharing fail. Please try again. When try to upload WhatsApp status showing this error, let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting and scroll down. Tap on apps. Search WhatsApp. Search WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp and click on storage and click on clear cache. Go back home screen, swipe down your notification panel, turn on flight mode, turn on flight mode, go to WhatsApp app, tap on updates, tap on add status, select status, tap on send option, WhatsApp status upload done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.